What's up, it's Rast here, and I had to tell you about my new favorite pair of sunglasses from William Painter. This is the Empire in blue. This is a very premium pair of sunglasses. Before, I would never wear premium sunglasses. The reason is I would drop them, step on them, lose them, drop them in the ocean, get sand all over and whatever. But my buddy Axel actually told me he got William Painter sunglasses, scratched the lens because he cleaned it with sand on accident. They hooked him up. They gave him a brand new pair free of charge because it's covered by their lifetime warranty. So William Painter, they make a quality pair of sunglasses and then they give you the lifetime warranty. So if you do mess up, scratch them, break them, whatever, you can get a brand new pair for life. Let's get into the features though of these glasses. First of all, you've got the polarized lens. That's a Japanese nylon polarized lens. So this is a titanium arm and I can't bend them, it goes right back in place. Titanium has this highest strength to weight ratio of any metal, and the balance on these is just ridiculous. If you see right here, it's not front loaded, so it's not gonna fly off your face when you swing your head around. The details on this piece are what really sell it. Check out the hinges here. If you look at your sunglasses, have you got a hinge like that, or is it like some cheap plastic crap? That's a real quality hinge. And you'll notice the details here. Screws here, screw here, screws here. So every pair of William Painter sunglasses has a quote embedded right in the arm there. This one says, "Live your dream," which is what I like to feel like I'm doing with my life. Going out, living my dream, doing what I want to do, and not being worried about breaking my sunglasses, throwing them away all the time, because I know William Painter's got my back. They hooked up my buddy with a free pair. If I wreck mine, I know they're gonna replace them free of charge. Every William Painter sunglasses does come with a free hard case, the cloth to clean them. So I'm gonna take care of them just like I take care of my other stuff, but if shit happens, they got my back. So William Painter, guys, they got loads of styles, different things, very high quality, titanium, lifetime guarantee, and you got a 100-day trial. So if you don't like them after, say, 60, 70 days, just send them back. They'll give you a full refund. Check them out, and we'll see you on the other side.